Hello and welcome to another lecture number 35, and this might be the last lecture from the series Learn Adobe Illustrator and Learn Graphic Design. Today I'm going to tell you about this the second last panel from the top, and that is View. So what you can get from the View panel is the first thing is outline. So many of the people just design things with the outline visible to them, so they can just check if all the elements are perfectly aligned or not. As you can see over here, the first thing was the top of the globe was connecting to triangle over here, so the outline thing is good when you are just playing with this alignment tool or any other thing that you are comfortable with. So I can just go back and turn on the GPU preview over here. Coming back to the view panel, preview on CPU. So this is preview on CPU, and GPU preview is over here. So always make sure that you have GPU preview on. So the next thing is pixel preview, overprint preview. Just leave them like it is. And the next thing is zoom in and zoom out. How you can zoom in? You got some shortcuts over here. The control and plus to zoom in, control and minus to zoom out. As you can see over here, zoom in and zoom out. So if you have something right on the corner or anywhere else, if you got by mistake everything disappear, so you can just press Control and 0 and it will bring back the artboard right in the middle of the screen. And if you want everything to be visible, just Control Alt and 0, so both of the artboards are visible and in the center of the screen. The next thing is actual size if you need it. One important thing in Adobe Illustrator is the edges. Like it always, if you're going to press Control plus G and you accidentally press Control and H, then what will happen? You can see the edges over here and the anchors over here. So if I Control plus H, I cannot see the anchors now. So make sure if you get into this trouble, you just go to view panel and show edges. Anchors will get back. The next thing is hide artboard. So if you don't want to see the artboard, you can just go over here and hide artboards. So everything is white. So it's not a good practice. So always make sure it's show artboards. The next thing in the view panel is show print tiling, leave it show slices. If you are making slices, then you can just show slices over here, lock slices over here. Ruler is another thing that I have this ruler on my screen on my Adobe Illustrator interface. You can turn it off just pressing Control and R on the keyboard. The next thing is hide bounding box. So I just showed you hide edges, and you can see that I have a bounding box over here, and if I don't want to see this bounding box, what I can do, I can just go to the view panel and press Shift Control B or just click over here. So now I can't see the bounding box, I can only see the anchors over here. So I'm good with the bounding box. So here it is back. Show transparency grid. So everywhere where there is no background, you will have this transparency grid. I'll hide it. The next thing is hide text thread, hide gradient annotator. So another new thing that came in 2017 and still in Adobe Illustrator is the corner widget. And what is the corner widget? If I select this one, you can see this circle over here that can make it around the corner. If I go over here and hide corner widget, I can't see this. So if you are having trouble with this, you can just go to view and show corner widget over here. The next main thing is the guides. You can just release guides, lock guides, and hide guides. So smart guide is on, and that helps you in placing some objects. Like if I'm going over here, I can't see any pink line over here. So if I just turn this smart guide on, I can see these pink lines that's showing me the circle, the center, or the middle, and the alignment. So this is very helpful, so make sure it's on. Another thing is perspective grid. If you want this, and if you don't want this, then just go to this perspective grid menu and turn it off. Or if you have this, you can just go over here, perspective grid, and show grid, or you can go back and hide grid. And the next thing in the view panel is show grid, and so grid is the grid on the back that will help you to make different designs and make them perfectly aligned. So this is another good thing in Adobe Illustrator. So these are 3 points: snap to grid. Yes, if I have this snap to grid, every point will go to the grid by itself. If I'm pressing over here, it will go over here, pressing over here. So this is a good thing if you're making some nice shapes. So snap to pixel is on, then it will go to the next pixel. Snap to point is go to the next point. So this is the view panel, and it is really helpful. It will help you in many of the designs, and it will save your time and save your energy. And thank you very much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.